Today I'm using a Rain-X window repair product, and we're gonna see how well it works. We have all sorts of dings and cracks on this windshield here. Crack that runs all the way along the bottom, and a crack that runs down the middle here. So here we go. Put several drops inside here. Let's see if we have any air bubbles in it. Looking pretty good. Tighten it down a little more. You'll need a second person helping you to push on the windshield from the inside while you apply the resin. Otherwise it won't sink down into the cracks deep enough to make any difference. The resin will at least smooth out the upper edge of the surface and help prevent any further cracking. It barely makes a difference on the refraction of the light from the sun hitting the cracks while you're driving, causing you more trouble. You definitely need a second person pushing in on the inside of the windshield to open up the crack just slightly enough to get the resin deeper. Otherwise you're really not going to see the crack disappear much at all. Oh, we got some kitty help today. How you doing, Lukey? Helping us fix some windshields today? Are you? Hey, what you doing? What's going on? Say hi to everybody. Video world. Thanks for watching our video today. Please help us continue raising money to support and help causes around us by liking and sharing and subscribing to our videos. We'll see you again in the next one.